Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dress out of this polo shirt. The first thing you do is turn the shirt inside out. Next, you cut off the shoulder sleeves from the shirt. You will later attach it back on. So we're going to save the shoulder sleeves. Next, I'm going to cut 2 inches off of the sides of the shirt, and you can cut about as much as you want, but 2 inches is good for me, so you can alter it to fit the shape of your body. So I'm gonna start cutting from the side, and I'm gonna cut both sides of the shirt. Next, I'm also gonna cut about 1 or 2 inches off of the top of the shoulder sleeve, and this too will make it look more fitting. So now I have 4 pieces, 2 from the shoulder sleeves, 2 from the sides of the shirt, and I'm gonna sew them all together to make one ribbon. And I'm gonna cut the excess fabric out. And I'm also gonna sew the shoulder sleeves back together. And I'm gonna sew the sides of my shirt back together as well. And I'm gonna sew the shoulder sleeve back onto the shirt. Then I will sew the ribbon to the bottom of my shirt, but first hem it. And then I'm gonna sew it to the bottom of my shirt. And while I sew the ribbon to the shirt, I'm gonna make sure I stretch the ribbon so that it gives it a little flare. Like that. And then I'm gonna stitch the ends of the ribbon together. And cut the length of my shoulder sleeve to make it a little shorter. And then hem it. And once you've hemmed it, you're done.